Welcome to InfoHub. Today InfoHub shares about 7 magic ingredients to get healthy and glowing skin. Glowing and flawless skin tone is something that everyone wants, and there are many chemical added products in the market that guarantee spotless and radiant skin. But going natural is still the best way of enhancing the beauty of skin. Olive oil is the most trusted and safe oil for our skin, as its properties are the closest to the skin's natural oil. Massaging the skin with olive oil improves blood circulation and provides the skin with an amazing glow. Olive oil not only provides glow to our skin, but also nourishes the skin and helps fight multiple skin issues like blackheads, scars, dryness, and itching. Besan is a part of beauty remedies to bring back the natural glow of skin. It is known to fight numerous skin problems including blemishes, pimples, dark skin, and many more. It has been traditionally used in beauty care to remove dead cells and leaving the skin bright, shiny, and smooth. Tomato can repair damaged skin, so you can add tomato juice with besan for utmost benefits. Milk is a natural beauty enhancer that keeps your skin radiant and healthy for a long time. Milk contains lactic acid, which is really effective for lightening skin and removing dead skin cells that get accumulated on your face. Raw milk is the best skin cleanser, and it drives out dust, bacteria, and blackheads from your skin. You can mix rose water with milk, as it can hydrate the skin and gives natural glow. Yogurt is one of the best probiotic-rich food that can give you clear, glowing skin. Lactic acid in yogurt prohibits the synthesis of tyrosinase, which may enhance your skin tone. Turmeric helps in enhancing your skin's texture and makes it soft, so you can add turmeric powder with yogurt for glowing baby soft skin. Lemon juice can be used for so many purposes, including skin care. Lemon has astringent properties, which can be used to lighten skin tone and get rid of many skin blemishes. The acid in lemon works as an exfoliator and heals so many skin problems. It leaves your skin feeling clean and glowing in just one wash. Adding honey with lemon is like having a natural bleach, so you can apply the goodness of lemon and honey together. People around the world have linked turmeric to healing properties and cosmetic benefits. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and these properties provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric being a glowing agent, it also reduces the appearance of dark circles and stimulates blood circulation. Honey is a natural moisturizer, so you can mix honey with turmeric for glowing, healthy, and moisturized skin. Aloe vera has been regarded as the universal panacea by the Greek scientists because of its medicinal and skincare properties. It can help lighten those blemishes, dark spots, and pigmentation, and gives clear glowing skin in just one wash. It can treat your acne, scars, dark spots, and clear the buildup caused by exposure to dirt and pollution. Its natural antioxidant protects the skin from sun damage, thereby keeping fine lines and wrinkles at bay.